Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel and Model Cars and Coffee with Hobbydude. Well, today I want to share with you an idea I have for a show theme coming up. Tom Daniels being the theme, so any of his cars. And I have an idea for a unique paint job, not just, and this is an out-of-box build too. But hey, even out-of-box builds, you can do something unique and cool with them. So I want to get your opinion on this, so I look forward to the comments. But this is for the Cherry Bomb. I've shared that was going to be one of them, the out-of-box build, and then the Tijuana Taxi was going to be a full kind of custom on top of the custom. But I want to get your opinion again on the interior as well as the exterior, an idea I have that I think will be kind of cool. So let me share it with you.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net.
This build is for an upcoming show theme, and I had mentioned in a previous video there were 3 different categories for this theme, and that one of them was straight out of the box, Tom Daniel kits. Then you could detail up a, I guess, box art type thing, but detail it, wire it, plumb it, whatever you want to do. And then the third category is kind of a sketch pad, go crazy, combine 2 Tom Daniel kits, that kind of stuff. And I had mentioned I wanted to do an out-of-box, and I wanted to do the Cherry Bomb out-of-box. And this is just a unique car because it's a turbine-powered car. You've got the chopper with the Cherry Bomb gas tank. It's just a cool kit. And I love for the 60s, this was a great thing. The bubble windshield, the canopy there, it's just really cool. Well, as I was thinking about this, I thought, okay, I can do it up out of the box. And originally I was thinking I was going to do just like Tamiya Pure Red, or in this case, this is the Bright Red TS49. And I thought, well, that's not really going to set it aside from others. And you'll also notice here on the interior, you've got the black or dark gray kind of centered seat portion, and the interior sides and panels in there are kind of a red. But when you get over to some of the other pictures, you see the entire, on the instruction sheet, the entire interior is black. This one has the canopy up, and you see a little bit of the red and the black there. And I'm still wrestling with the two-toning the interior, or maybe go with the one color and dress it out with some decals, which usually out-of-box kits you can add extra decals, all that kind of stuff, and putting some unique instruments or things in there like that. Don't know yet. But the main color is what I wanted to go with. Something different, something unique. And what I was originally going to do, and I got the idea from my buddy Irv Arter, who did that absolutely drop-dead gorgeous pie wagon. He put his color down and then put a beautiful pearl coat over the top of it. And I thought about doing that with the bright red, is put a pearl coat over it. And then I started thinking, nah, I wanted to make it something even more unique, stand-out-ish. So what I ended up doing was I went back to my candy colors. And you know, my telephone booth was in that mixture of candy red and candy orange, and I started pulling out some of my spoons that I had tested in the candy colors over different primers. Well, here's a 49 Ford. This was a bad warped body and had broken A-pillar, so I cut it into pieces so I could sample it. This is the ruby red over the bright silver base that All Clad does. And I think it's kind of good, but I think it's a little dark for what I want. And this is where I want your help, guys. This is the same thing, but it was, I think I put like 2 extra heavy coats on this one. So you notice it's the same color, but it's a little bit lighter. I hope you can see that. Then you have the regular candy red, and these are all candy red over different color primers. And you see you've got 4 colors here, Same paint over different primers. One is over the bright silver base, and I think that's pretty cool. This one is over, it's a little bit darker, but it's got a good rich color on it too. This one was over silver leaf, the Tamiya silver leaf, and that's got a rich color. This one is still the brightest, but this one was over a dark gray primer, and you see it's got a good smooth rich color. It's still a nice color, but I'm thinking down to it probably between these two. And this is over just one of those little packs of chrome spoons you can get. This is that over, for my taste anyway, it's this one. But over chrome, I mean, you can see my finger's reflection in it there. It's kind of like a Christmas ornament would be, like a mirrored finish. Well, there, you can see my shirt, my cuff link there. Whoa, let me get back in there. But you can see the reflection there, and it's I think it's kind of cool. But I thought that would be unique if we did something like that mirrored like red finish. But I really do like this. This bright, this has got a good kind of mirrory, but it's not quite, I don't want to say toyish, but the reflection that you see there, you can see it lighter in this one. But I'm thinking one of these two. This would be unique because I've never seen a car done in a mirror finish like that. I'm sure somebody's probably done it. I just hadn't seen it. But that is really cool. But again, this one is the same thing. It's just not quite as bright. So I need your help. Give me a shout on over the bright silver base or over the chrome. See, what do you think? And also on the interior, do it as a two-tone or just go crazy with it. No matter what you do, guys, you can do anything you want to it as far as paint. If you want to paint the thing blue, doesn't matter as long as it's straight out of the box and you haven't made any modifications. You just use the parts that are only the parts that came in the box. But anyway, well, that's what I wanted a little help with on this one, guys. Hope you have an awesome Sunday. Look forward to checking out the other model cars and coffee today. Have a great one. God loves you. See you in the next video. Thanks, guys.